Good night, everyone. I am JAYSTAR, and what I'm going to do now is give you the Jamaican news minus all the bullshit. A man was shot yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And in my view, men will continue to get shot in this country. In political news, Prime Minister Bruce Golding, members of Cabinet, and the PNP are still talking. About what? I guess the future of our country. I don't know. Prime Minister Bruce Golding, based on advice he got from Finance Minister Audley Shaw, decided to up the minimum wage from 3,200 to 3,700. An irate Jamaican asked the Prime Minister, what kind of thing that? Prime Minister responded and said, the school fee is free, something has got to give. In business news, hey, you know what's up in business news. The Jamaican dollar is still sliding. I won't say by how much, I'll just say to you that currently people are lined up at money institutions to buy a US dollar. People are borrowing money to buy just one US dollar. That is how shitty our currency is. You understand me? In sports, the reggae boys are apparently not eating enough dasheen. They're not drinking any Malta. Something is going on because they're not winning anything. They're not. Yeah? The West Indies team. You know how it is already. Today they're good, and next time they suck. They more suck than they're good. When they're good, we care. When they're not good, we cuss and say they're pointless. So that's what's going on. They're not playing any major matches now. The West Indies cricket team are just in limbo. I'm not going to go into the chess matches that happens around the world. I mean in the country, or the badminton or water polo, because guess what? Nobody cares. Really. Nobody cares about the national water polo team. Unless they've gone to the Olympics and won a flashy award like a gold medal. Other than that, we don't give. And finally, in the weather. We know when hurricane season is. It rains a lot during hurricane season. When it's not hurricane season, hey, if I look at rainfall, there'll be men on the streets in no time, like that, selling umbrellas if you don't have any. So guess what? I don't need to tell you about what's going to happen tomorrow, because guess what? Half of the time these news reporters tell you that rain's going to fall, you know what happened. Rain don't fall. You understand me? The weather news, I believe, on local TV is not a forecast. It's not a forecast. They basically tell you, the only thing they can tell you concretely is what happened in the day. They come on the news and they say to you, listen, it rained a lot today, and so had this amount of meters of rainfall. But as for tomorrow, I can't promise you anything, and so can't I. I can't promise you to tell you that it's going to rain or shine tomorrow, it's going to be partly cloudy, or it's going to be a fucking tornado. I don't know. You understand? I will never know. Just walk with an umbrella now. And if a hurricane season, listen to the updates then. From the BBC, from CNN. I'm JAYSTAR, and that was the news, minus the bullshit.